Welcome back to Auto Plus Reviews. Today we're diving into the heart-pounding, adrenaline-fueled world of the 2025 Ferrari 296 GTB and its open-top sibling, the 296 GTS. These two mid-engine masterpieces represent Ferrari's next chapter in performance, electrification, and unmistakable Italian design. Let's start with the first thing that grabs your attention, the exterior. Ferrari has absolutely nailed the proportions of the 296. It blends futuristic elegance with aggressive motorsport DNA. The front end is low and sharp, with slender LED headlights that slice through the air. The sculpted hood channels airflow, while the integrated active aero elements help manage downforce intelligently. From the side, the flowing lines wrap tightly around the cockpit and engine bay, giving it that classic wedge shape associated with legendary Ferraris like the 250 LM and Dino. At the rear, the design gets even bolder: thin, angular taillights, a prominent diffuser, and a high-mounted center exhaust screen performance. On the GTS version, the retractable hardtop folds in about 14 seconds, transforming the car from coupe to convertible seamlessly, with no compromise on looks or aerodynamics. But let's be honest, what really sets the 296 apart is what's under the hood. Ferrari has made a bold move by introducing a V6 plug-in hybrid powertrain, and it's nothing short of revolutionary. The 3.0-liter twin-turbo V6, paired with an electric motor, produces a combined 819 horsepower. Yes, you heard that right, 819 horsepower from a V6 hybrid setup. The engine itself is a piece of art, mounted low and far back in the chassis for optimal weight distribution. This powertrain allows the 296 GTB and GTS to rocket from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 2.8 seconds, with a top speed over 205 miles per hour. The electric motor isn't just for efficiency. It delivers instant torque, smoothing out the power delivery and improving throttle response. There's also an all-electric driving mode, called eDrive, which lets you cruise in silence for up to 15 miles. Perfect for sneaking out of the garage early in the morning without waking the neighbors. But once you switch to performance or qualify mode, the car unleashes its full fury. The 8-speed dual-clutch transmission shifts with surgical precision, and the chassis dynamics are simply next level. Ferrari's side slip control, adaptive dampers, and active aero combine to give you confidence and feedback in every corner. Whether you're carving mountain roads or pushing limits on the track, the 296 feels razor-sharp and utterly alive. The brake-by-wire system and carbon ceramic discs offer immense stopping power, and the regenerative braking blends in seamlessly. The steering is light but incredibly precise, letting you place the car exactly where you want it. And even with all the electrification, it still feels like a true Ferrari: emotional, visceral, and beautifully balanced. Moving inside, the cabin is a perfect fusion of technology and tradition. Ferrari keeps things driver-focused, with a cockpit layout that wraps around you like a Formula One car. The steering wheel is packed with controls, including the Manettino drive mode selector, indicators, wipers, and even the engine start button, so your hands never need to leave the wheel. The digital instrument cluster is crisp and customizable, offering everything from performance telemetry to navigation. The minimalist center console, leather upholstery, contrast stitching, and carbon fiber accents all remind you that this is a luxury supercar, not just a track weapon. The GTS also manages to retain an intimate cabin feel even with the roof down, thanks to clever wind deflectors and high-quality sound insulation. There's no central infotainment screen here, and that's intentional. Ferrari wants you to be engaged with the drive, not distracted. Now let's talk pricing. The 2025 Ferrari 296 GTB starts at around $342,000, while the GTS commands a slight premium, starting at approximately $371,000. Of course, this is Ferrari we're talking about, so most buyers will spec their cars with a personalized list of options, everything from carbon fiber upgrades to unique paint finishes and interior trims. It's not unusual for final sticker prices to approach, or even exceed the $450,000 mark depending on customization. And while that may sound like a lot, What you're getting is more than just a car. It's a piece of cutting-edge engineering, a rolling sculpture, and a direct connection to Ferrari's racing heritage. This is also the first time Ferrari has taken such a bold step into hybrid technology for a mid-engine Berlinetta, and the result is a car that not only meets modern efficiency standards, but exceeds every expectation in performance and emotion. To sum it up, the 2025 Ferrari 296 GTB and 296 GTS are nothing short of groundbreaking. They combine timeless Ferrari design with next-gen hybrid tech, creating a new benchmark for what a modern supercar can be. Whether you're chasing lap times or just want to experience the thrill of a mid-engine Ferrari with the top down, these two offer it all: performance, drama, style, and a glimpse into Ferrari's electrified future. Thanks for watching Auto Plus Reviews. If you enjoyed this breakdown of Ferrari's latest masterpiece, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss a new video. Let us know in the comments, would you go for the coupe GTB or the convertible GTS? Until next time, drive safe and stay passionate.